I have 3 questions. 2 of them are rhetorical. Question number 1. Have you ever seen a fish climb a tree? That's a rhetorical question. Of course you've never seen a fish climb a tree. But the second question is why? Why do you think it's true that you've never seen a fish climb a tree? And if you try to force a fish to climb a tree, do you think he would be successful? And if he's unsuccessful, do you think he would feel like a failure and have negative thoughts of self-doubt and low self-esteem? When he looks around and compares himself to others who are doing the things that he's inadequate to do, comparing himself to others in an environment that he has no business in, because fish don't climb trees and squirrels don't live in the sea. They're not made for that. And we humans are the same way. When it comes to career paths, learning styles, relationship compatibility, there is no one size fits all. Everything is not for everybody. So how do you figure out what is for you? Well, over the last 10 years, I've been working on a passion project, and I've built a process originally for myself, but now I want to share it with you, absolutely free. I've mapped out a step-by-step structured plan and put it into this 36-page book titled The Happiness Blueprint for Young Adults. If you're a young adult or the parent of a young adult who is uncertain about your next move in life, who is uncertain about your career path, who is uncertain that you'll be able to build a good life for you and your future family, then click the link down below this video or send me a direct message on Instagram or leave a comment with the word clarity on this video and I'll send you your free digital copy. Share this video with a young adult who's lacking direction and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.